in dusty areas all the time, you know, instead of on a trailer. What sort of maintenance should you be doing and how regular so that that doesn't become an issue for your motors and everything?
I would say a big part would be probably your connectors. Make sure that they are clean all the time just because of the dust and dirt flying around. And also for the motors inside here, possibly get dirt and sand in there that the motors would wear out way quicker, and the bearings. And even for in here, I think with the dust and sand getting in there, with opening them up and close them, they would probably wear out too faster than what they should when it's always landed in an area where it's clean on the trailer or on a grass patch like this. But I would prefer not land on dirt all the time just because of that issue.
So let's just say that you've decided that you have too much dust has gotten into your motor.
Yeah.
What are we going to do about it?
Well, I think if you would hear noise or feel fraction inside, or if you turn it, I think you would have to take it off and take it apart and make sure that the bearing is still good, because you would hear the bearing make a noise if it was failing. I think if they use them in an area where there's lots of dust flying around or something, I would definitely put an air compressor and blow out the dirt at the end of the day, make sure it's clean, or even a couple times a day. But you need a special tool to take it apart because those bearings are pressed onto the shaft. So it's not that easy for somebody just in the field to take the motor apart and clean it, put it back together. You need a special tool to get that all apart and get it back together.
Gotcha. Yeah, right on. So what they could do is blow it out at the end of the day if they suspect there's a lot of dust in it.
Especially if they find that one motor makes a little bit of a noise, but it seems like that there's no play in the bearing. I would definitely blow air all around it, make it clean. So and if it stops making that noise or something, that was possibly just dirt and sand in there. But if it keeps doing it, you could probably have a magnet cracked in there that would give issues in the long run. And even some of these bolts, they were loose. I would say at least once a week, if I would own one of these, I would once a week go through it, make sure everything is tight still. If something was loose, I would put Loctite on them again and make sure that everything was secured properly before takeoff.
Man, thank you, Aaron. That's great.